Hey everyone. So picture this. You go out to your car to start it in the morning to go to work, and you hit the unlock button and it does this. Your lights go off, but it won't let you in. You're locked out. So what would do that? Well, what'll do it is your battery's dead. I've had experience with this before, and last time it was even worse. I was in the car when the battery went, and the windows went down. It locked the car out. The alarm was going off. I mean, it was pretty bad, and I wasn't home at the time. So it seems counterintuitive that all these lights would stay on perpetually while you were dealing with a dead battery, but that's exactly what happens. So I'm going to show you how to quickly change your battery out of a 2016 or that era Buick Lacrosse. I've pre-loosened everything, so this should be a quick video. Like most Buicks, they're very easy to work on. I know there's a lot of conformity with GM, but in my history, I've always found Buick seem to make it a point to make them easy to work on. So what you're going to need a screwdriver. You're going to need a 10mm wrench or socket, and you're going to need a 13mm socket with an extension. Okay, you've got two tabs, one here, one here. Push those in. That comes off, okay? Use your 10mm socket, take off your ground, that comes off. Okay, your positive terminal's under here. You got two clips, you got another clip here. There's your positive terminal. Same thing. Take your positive terminal off. There's a ground strap here. Take that off. Now, this box comes off. To do it and get it out of the way, to remove the battery, you have to take this off. Now, I just use a screwdriver to pop it out. I think right in, just go in here and just pop it. See that? Just pops it right off, and probably have to do the same for this side. Pop that out of the way. Sorry about all the noise. It's actually pouring out right now. But gotta get it done. Okay, now your 13mm socket is good for this, and this down here. So before you pull the battery out, you gotta go down here. This is what you need the extension for. Take out this tie down. Once that's out, you can pull the battery out. Kind of push that out of the way. If you're lucky enough to have handles, grab them. Okay, battery's out. Take this out of the way, because you don't want to have that there when you put the battery back in. Put that aside, and we are good to go. Now I gotta go to get another battery. Okay, rain stopped. You got the battery. Let's go. Okay. These two guys come off. Don't need those. Positive terminal here. See the plus, see the minus. Okay. This guy, these are always fun, especially when they're way down in there. Sometimes you get lucky, not often. upside down. Let's see, how did this go? This thing goes on it, snaps down, grounding strap goes on up. It's not a grounding strap, it's just a tie-down strap. Sorry, I don't know why I'm calling it that. I'll tighten this guy back down. I didn't really need to take that off. Okay, put our positive terminal down. Use this to tighten it up. You could put some protector in. I know they tell you about that on these. This whole box here is completely sealed in plastic, so it's not exactly exposed. So I don't know. I know the battery that was on it didn't have anything on it, and it was on for 4 years and nothing happened. So I did not opt to do that here, but you may want to do that for yourself. Okay, that's down, that's down, that's down. Snap those back on. Grounding terminal goes on. That does not seem to be the ideal. Let's see if we can get on a little more. Tighten this guy up. Okay, this has a orientation, plus, minus, plus, plus. It's pretty clear. Watch these two tabs. They go into slots right there and right there. Push them in. Done. Battery's in. Now let's see. Grab your keys. I hear the doors unlocking. Let's fire her up. See what type of messages I get, if any, on the dash. Oh, geez. That's not good. Let's try that again. Hood open. Will it not start with hood open? Nope, there we go. That was weird. Open, then close the driver window. That's an interesting message to get. Okay, I've done that. Okay, looks like we're done. Okay, that's it. How to quickly replace the battery on your 2016 or thereabouts Buick Lacrosse, probably anywhere from 2013. I don't know. I have no idea on these things, what years they change. But either way, so if you've got a dead battery in your Buick Lacrosse and you want to replace it yourself, no problem. You can actually do it in just a few minutes. And I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And as we always say, don't be intimidated. Just go out, get busy. Take care.